Hello, I'm Mike. You will watch a video about NVIDIA Isaac GR00T N1 humanoid robots. We have a long research task. We are working hard on this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please don't forget to comment for more videos like this. I hope you like the video. NVIDIA Isaac GR00T is a platform of sim-ready data simulation frameworks and synthetic data generation blueprints and to pre-train models. NVIDIA Isaac GR00T N1 is an open generalist foundation model for humanoid robots. GR00T N1 features a dual system architecture for thinking fast and slow, inspired by principles of human cognitive processing. The slow thinking system lets the robot perceive and reason about its environment. Now I want to tell you that the GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs by NVIDIA Blackwell deliver game-changing capabilities to gamers and content creators equipped with massive AI horsepower. The RTX 50 series delivers new experiences and next-level graphical fidelity. Multiply your performance with NVIDIA DLSS 4, render at unprecedented speeds, and unleash your creativity with NVIDIA Studio. I'll leave the links in the descriptions. I'd love for you to check it out. Thank you in advance. And work instructions and plan the right actions. Take the fast thinking system, translates the plan into precise and continuous robot actions while internet scale training. Data provides common sense and reason. It doesn't teach robots specific actions or control. So we need better data and more alpha human demonstration. Data is limited by the number of hours in a day. With GR00T blueprints for synthetic data generation built on NVIDIA Omniverse and Cosmos, we can exponentially multiply a small number of real-world data captures into a massive diverse training data. Said GR00T's generalization lets robots to manipulate common objects with ease and execute multi-step sequences collaboratively across many environments and even multiple embodiments. And with synthetic data generation and reinforcement learning, humanoid robot developers can post-train GR00T N1 for their specific robot and task. The age of generalist robots is driven by developers building on NVIDIA Isaac GR00T. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. See you in a new video. Goodbye.